Hello everyone. So now today's session is about nouns or different types of nouns. So in today's class we will be discussing about nouns, that what is a noun. A noun is a word that is used to name a person, place, thing, idea or qualities. So now let's understand this with the help of few examples. Names like Ayan, Ram, Sham. When we are talking about different places like Delhi, Agra, when we are talking about animals, cats, dogs, when we are talking about things, different sort of things, pen, book, paper, and when we are talking about feeling or an idea, that is love, anger, sadness, pride, and so on. So now these are the examples of noun. So now let's talk about what are different types of noun. So when we are talking about different types of noun, there comes the 8 types of nouns. First is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun and compound noun. So let's understand this in detail with the help of some examples. So firstly, when we are talking about proper nouns are the names of specific people and the places, names of the week, days of the week, months, organizations, etc. Like names like Ram, Sham, places like again Delhi, Agra. When we are talking about the days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, organizations, months, June, July, August, these are the examples of proper noun. In the similar way, when we are talking about common nouns are the nouns that are used to denote a general category of people, places or things. It cannot define a particular person. It never defines a particular person, but something in common like man, lady, boys, girls, city, school, etc. So now we'll be talking about the major difference between a proper noun and a common noun. So what is the major difference between a proper noun and a common noun? That the proper nouns are the nouns that are always capitalized, irrespective of the fact that wherever they appear in the sentence. And in the case of common noun, unless it begins with the sentence, it does not require to be capitalized. It is basically the common nouns that are not capitalized. So we have already seen the difference between the two. Now we are coming to the third one, that is the collective noun. Collective nouns are the nouns which denotes a group of person or other creatures and collection of things. So now let's understand this with the help of example. Now, a team of players. A number of players playing together is known as a team of players. Second example, a fleet of ships. Likewise, we are having the other examples as well. Now, fourth one, we are talking about concrete noun. That what are basically a concrete noun. A concrete noun is something which can be perceived with the senses. It can be perceived through your senses only. You can touch it or feel it. Example, apple, eyes, flower, etc. You can only feel it or touch it. So next, here comes our abstract noun and compound noun. So abstract noun, it refers to the name of a feeling, state of mind, emotions, quality or action which do not have a physical reality. Abstract nouns having not any physical reality. You cannot touch or see it or hear it, but you can feel it. Like example, honesty, love, anger, pride, etc. These are all abstract nouns. They don't have any physical reality. It's not a thing, it is only a feeling. Now the next type of noun is compound noun. Compound noun is, it refers to the two or more nouns combined to form a single noun. Basically, it is the two words that are coming together and forming one single noun. Example, motor, cycle. Now an hyphenated noun which are joined together is like sister-in-law. Next is a school girl. So we are clear about these. Now next we are coming to the seventh one, which is countable nouns. It can be counted, can be singular or plural also, can be used with a number or a and before it. These can be singular or plural. Example, one book, one pencil, two books or three books. You can use articles before countable nouns like a and the. And when you are asked about the questions related to countable noun, you always ask how many books were there, how many pens were there. So likewise the next one, which is uncountable noun. So uncountable nouns are that cannot be counted and do not have any singular or plural form. In case of the countable noun, just likewise it is the opposite of countable nouns that cannot be counted. Although these can be counted, but these can't be counted, but these can be measured. Example, rice. You cannot say that we want one rice or two rice. You can always say that 1 kg of rice. Now there are no singular or plural. You cannot say rice, one rice or two sugar. You can use words like some, little or few. So we have already done the 8 types of noun. But here one more noun is also there. That is also known as a material noun. That I have not explained in this, but I am telling you orally that what is a material noun. A material noun is the name of a material or substance out of which the things are made. Example, gold, iron, cotton, plastic, etc. So we have talked about the different types of noun today. So I hope you all have understood different types of nouns.